हाय गाइस, आज डे 2 है तो हम ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए नीचे आए हैं। ये ब्रेकफास्ट का स्प्रेड है पूरा, देखो यहाँ पे चोकोस और ये सब है, फ्रूट यहाँ पर सॉसेजेस है, जैम्स है, बटर ब्रेड ये सब है यहाँ पे स्प्रेड में। यहाँ पे भी ब्रेड है, तो देखते हैं खा के कैसे है। Look at this scrambled eggs, beans, British breakfast, and this is the breads frozen. चलो खाते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा है। ये सब ब्रेकफास्ट का आइटम्स है। हाँ, ये ऑरेंज खाओगे आप? ये देखो यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट कैसे कर रहे हैं इन लोग। कैसा है ब्रेकफास्ट इधर का?
Better than expected.
अच्छा है?
Yeah,
Okay.
at least we got some vegetarian options.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are enjoying? Dhara is not enjoying,
We
but
are
she is
doing
eating.
lunch and breakfast together here.
Brunch.
We are doing a brunch. Most probably going to skip lunch.
Okay. Let's see if you don't feel hungry.
Yeah.
Yes. What are you eating? No, Dhara, what are you eating? Nine.
So oranges.
I'm eating oranges.
Very
Okay,
good.
very good. कैसा है कॉफी?
काफी अच्छा है.
आपका
Shanti.
आपका लाटे कैसा है?
Latte, I'm just going to have it. I'm just making it as of now.
After you drink, you can give to Priyansh, our star. Priyansh, where are you going today?
Rhine Falls.
Rhine Falls. After
Black
that,
Forest.
After that, we will just stay there for some time and then probably come back.
No, Black Forest.
Probably
Black Forest.
we have to come back. We are not going to stay there forever.
You know,
we are going to go to Black Forest, right?
Yes.
यहाँ पे कैसे है रितेश, बताएंगे आपको?
Yeah, so from Novotel Hotel, there is a bus stop just bang opposite to our hotel. So we have taken the tram. You can see this kind of a tram here. Yeah, so we have taken a tram. That is tram number 10. Then we came up to the central station. And from there we have changed over to tram number 4, which directly take you to this stop. And from here you have to go to this counter and take the tickets. This one, like this. Okay? And this is your bus. We are going in this bus to the tour for Black Forest, Rhine Falls and Titisee.
एक्चुअली कलर चेंज हो गई है, ग्रे कलर की बस है हम लोग की। चलो चले धरा, मजा आएगी ना अभी? Are you going, Dhara?
Rhine Falls.
No,
The Black Forest.
Black Forest. See?
We have boarded the bus and these are our seats.
And we are going to Black Forest and
Rhine
Falls.
Falls. See the sticker. Here it is.
Here.
Apple orchard. The area here is now farmland. There are lots of apple orchards here. Farmers are growing apples, and then they also produce a cider. And left and right hand side of the Rhine, there are hiking and biking trails. Here, same name. Titisee has about 11,000 residents. And the lake is it's 40 meters deep. It's very deep, also looks very, very dark green, and 2 meters length. Beautiful view again from different angles. The lake is also a vacation resort for summer sports. There are hiking and biking trails around and along the lake. And there are also in the surrounding, people can go for a holiday for a couple of weeks or about 2 weeks even, when they like the outdoors a lot. Somewhere down there's also the river Rhine. And at the other side of the river Rhine, there is the country of France and the border of France. In the Black Forest, another food specialty is the smoked Black Forest ham, also a delicacy. And then, of course, the beer.
यहाँ के विलेजेस के हाउसेस देखो कैसे लग रहे हैं.
A very old traders route since Roman times, 2,000 years ago. There were always, people were always trading merchandise from east to west and north to south. And on the right you see the vineyards.
फॉरेस्ट का व्यू है पूरा. देखो यहाँ देखो, यहाँ देखो कैसा लग रहा है इधर.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. देखिए
टिटीसी. और ये ऐसे दिख रहा है पूरा रोड और कितना मस्त है.
व्हील भी है उधर.
अच्छा सा व्हील भी है उधर. हम लोग जा रहे हैं कुकू शॉप जहाँ पे वॉच बनता है. यहाँ पे अलग अलग टाइप के क्लॉक्स है. So you can see this. It is made of wooden carving. See here. 3 या 4 लोग मिलके बनाते हैं इसको. ये देखिए. Look at this. How beautiful it is. See this person standing in the carving.
Our wall clocks there from 1640, so almost 400 years ago. The design was very simple. We have only one hand, so you can only read the hours, no minute, no second. The time is also not that accurate. Okay. But the special thing, there's more. Okay. The special thing about this clock is all parts of it are made of wood, even the gears. Okay, all handmade. But how does it work? I put these piece of stones under the clock, and it starts to run. It's a first mechanical clock. It works with power of the stone. Okay, there was no pendulum, but a similar structure. The function of this structure is like a pendulum. You can change the speed or the accuracy for the clock with these 2 cubes. If I put it to the middle, the clock will go faster. If I put it to the but I think it's over 1.5 kg because it gives power for 8 days. Okay, 8 days. So, if you are interested in this kind of clocks, the clock is delivered with the stuff. So 110 years later, we have the second generation for wall clocks. Now we change the materials. We use now brass to make the weight, the pendulum, and the movement. These kind of clocks we call it painted face clock. The customers at that time, they can already choose different kinds of painting on it. We can put local flowers on it, we can put animals on it, or even moving pictures like here. Okay, that was an interesting story. The gentlemen in the Black Forest, they drink a lot of alcohol. We have also good wine. When they come home, their wives are very unsatisfied with them, so they got punishment from their wives, like here. 10 o'clock, 10 times.
See there how is.
So I prefer 1 o'clock. Okay. The third generation for wall clocks, but this is also the first Cuckoo clock because of the bird. Okay. 1 o'clock, 1 time. 2 o'clock 2 times, and so on. Now we change the materials again. The movement is still made of brass, but the pendulum is made of wood, and the weights are made of steel. So you see, this is a clock with a real roof, and we keep this design for the modern clocks also. We use only local woods to make the clocks. The wood called pine wood or linden wood. We cut down the trees and let them stay in the storage for 5 years until it totally dry, unless they will split. Okay. After we cut the basic houses with machine, it's very simple. But after that, all the 3D figures like here or the decorations, they're all handmade. Okay. In the early times, it was a family work to do all these kind of figures. In winter, you know the winter in Black Forest is like 6 months, so they sit together, the whole family. And every family member has his own job. Okay, but now it's no more a family work. We make all of them in the manufactory. The manufacturer from the our clocks, they are in Neustadt. It's 7 kilometers from here, so it's deep in the Black Forest. In earlier, if you want to make these kind of clocks, it takes 3 to 6 months to make one clock. But now it takes also 3 weeks or 4 weeks to make all the things finished. Okay, I will show you this one. It's a very complicated one with the dancing couples.
It came out now.
Real heavy, and we need very long chains to give them power. But I would like to show you the heart of our clock, or the movements. Okay, they are all made of brass and all handmade, smaller sizes, bigger sizes. These are connected with the dancing couples. Because we use different sizes of movements, we also use different sizes of weights. Smaller weights, they give power for 1 day. These 3 weights are originally here. After 1 day, they will be on the floor. So they come down very slowly. And all you have to do is to take the chain and wind them to the top, all 3 of them. Okay. The bigger weights, they are each one is 1.5 kg almost, and they give power for 1 week, 7 to 8 days. Also the same thing. After 1 week, all you have to do is you can wind them, but you don't have to wait until the clock stops. You can wind it every time you want. Okay. Oh, you see, this is the bird. It's not a bird, but it's an imitate from the bird. Okay, so that's our cuckoo. We have a smaller bird. Let me check. Or the babies. Different tone. Okay, so the last one. Everybody know this? Okay, this is a music box. You have already played it as a child. And this is why we have so beautiful music in our cuckoo clocks. And this is also the only part that's not made in Germany. It's from Switzerland. All the music boxes are now made in Switzerland. Okay. If I turn the music, can you hear it for me? Now I'll put it on the wall. Everybody can hear it? Yes. Hello? Very nice, thank you. So we set the wood. It's a transfer for sound. Okay. That's why we put, let me check, all part of it directly behind this wood box, so we can hear the sound from outside and through this hole. So that's it. I will show you some of our most beautiful clocks. This one is a Romeo and Juliet clock. If you want to change time, only with the longer hand, clockwise, every half an hour, we'll give them one stop. 4 o'clock, 4 times. Okay, this lady wants to meet her lover, but the father of the lady is unhappy with her, okay? Or with the man, actually. So this is a weekly clock, we have a daily clock. But these are all mechanical clocks. We also have battery operated or 2 pieces. It makes Cuckoo, and after that the music. Normally we have for each clock 12 different songs, so you can hear every hour a new song. You see also white, but they are only for decoration. Okay, they are made of woods or plastic. Hello. Okay, so we have almost all over the world service points. If you have any questions or problems with your clock, you can go to the service points. Our clock makers, they will fix it. So if you have more questions, just ask me or my colleague. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Titisee होटल है और अभी हम लोग आगे जाएंगे. Look at the flowers there. यहाँ पे देखो. कैसा है पूरा यहाँ का व्यू. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड ऑप्शंस हैं खाने के लिए. ये ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट अभी दिखाई दे रहा है, हाफ ग्रीन हाफ ब्लैक. देखना शाम होते होते उसका कलर थोड़ा चेंज हो रहा है फॉरेस्ट का. थोड़ा डार्क ग्रीन और ब्लैक कलर में हो दिखाई दे रहा है. If you see this, see the forest. तो मैंने आपको यहाँ का पूरा व्यू बता दिया. ये है ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट और उसके बाजू में ये लग के तितीसी लेक है. तो जैसा लाइट गिरता है, जैसा सनलाइट जैसे शाम होते आती है, तो उस हिसाब से उसका कलर चेंज होता है. First it was green color, now it is looking like dark green and light green and dark black, like some black kind of a thing color. So इसके लिए उसको black forest बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे पूरा उसके बीच में है सब कुछ. You can see this. There are so many restaurants here and there are so many things to do here. Boating है, अगर जाना है तो मस्ट ट्राई है यहाँ का ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक, जो मैंने भी खाया और बहुत अच्छा है. हम लोग के जैसा बहुत मीठा नहीं है, सटल टेस्ट एंड नाइस एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइस. अच्छा था, बड़ा पीस दिया था उन्होंने. सो ठीक है, तो उसी हिसाब से हम लोगों ने ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक भी खाया था, बहुत अच्छा था. सो यू शुड ऑल्सो मस्ट ट्राई द ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं ये जगह में अंदर. यहाँ पे फ्रेश बन रहा है. What you are taking, you can buy. क्या खा रहे तुम लोग?
Potato and then Coke.
Okay. ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट माउंटेन्स है तो यहाँ पे ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक भी मिलता है. ये देखो, look at this. This is the Black Forest. Look at the beautiful view. ये पूरा zigzag है और बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है.